Welcome calendar enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of making your own calendar using Google Sheets. Whether you're planning your work schedule, tracking events, or just organizing your life, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's dive in. 1. Open Google Sheets. If you haven't already, sign into your Google account, click the New button and select Google Sheets. 2. Choose your calendar type. Decide whether you want a monthly, yearly, or custom calendar. For a monthly calendar, which we'll create here, proceed to the next steps. 3. Set up your sheet. Name your sheet, e.g., Monthly Calendar 2024, label the days of the week, A1 to G1. 4. Fill in the days. Start with the first day of the month, usually Monday. Use the fill handle to drag across the row and complete the week. Repeat for all weeks in the month. 5. Add dates. In the next row, A2, enter the date for each day. For January 2024, the first day, Monday, is the first, so enter 1 in the corresponding cell. Continue filling in the dates. 6. Format your calendar. Adjust font size, colors, and borders. Merge cells for the month name, e.g., January 2024. Add any design elements you like. 7. Save and share. Save your sheet online or download it as a PDF, share it with others or print it out.